Hey Nash, what should we make?
I'm in the mood for sushi of some sort. We've made rolls, we've made sushi balls, and crispy sushi balls. Let's make onigiri.
All right, let's make some onigiri. Today, we're making onigiri, or probably more correctly pronounced onigiri. If you're not familiar with it, it's really good. It's just another kind of a presentation of sushi, kind of like a roll or a sushi ball. Basically, it's just the rice with whatever filling you want inside, and then it's just kind of balled up and then made into like a little triangle. Put a little bit of nori on there, maybe some sesame seeds or some furikake, and you're off to the races. So that's what we're gonna do. So hey, without further ado, let's go. All right, so you can literally put whatever filling you want. You could use, do a spicy tuna, or we're gonna kind of do something similar to like what you find in like a California roll, but you could literally do anything. I mean, shoot, you could use some birria or some brisket and call it a fusion. We're gonna go ahead and make basically similar to what you find in a California roll, minus the cucumbers and the avocado. So we're gonna make a creamy, spicy crab mixture. It should be good. But like I said, you can literally fill these with anything you want. So we start with some crab or imitation crab, depends on your budget, whatever you prefer. Throw in a couple of tablespoons of Japanese mayo, a couple of teaspoons of chili garlic sauce. You could use sambal or even sriracha if you wanted. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of lemon zest just to brighten it up. And then once we've got all our ingredients, we're just gonna mix this up. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it chill until we're ready for it. Then I'm gonna take some sushi rice. Any short grain rice will probably be fine. And we go ahead and rinse our rice. Just gonna rinse this a few times until this water starts to run clear. And we're just getting the excess starch off of the rice. Then we head over to our trusty rice cooker, get all our rice in there, put some water in there, put a lid on, and we cook our rice. And I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, so our rice is cooked and cooled. We got our filling, and we got some random toppings. We got some sesame seeds, some black sesame seeds, some of this, something called Eden's Shake, but it's just furikake, which is sesame seeds and nori and who the f knows what else. Then we got this mold, but this mold is for like a mini onigiri, so we'll just get rid of that. We're just gonna do them by hand. So you take about, I would say, about a half a cup. We're gonna use plastic wrap. Just kind of put that like that. And then we take a little bit of our filling right here. Just kind of make that into like a little triangle. And then I'm going to attempt to do this. It doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. There we got our little triangle. Okay, that'll work. So we got this little triangle deal here. Try to make it kind of pretty. Try to get this plastic wrap so we can reuse it. Unlike regular, like a sushi, if you're making a sushi roll, you'd use that seasoned rice vinegar. With these guys, just a little bit of salt. And normally I would put this on the inside, but I forgot, so I'm putting it on the outside. And then we just take a little bit of nori. We just do this. Just kind of put that there. I got it wet. I went rough side down. So on this one, we'll do a little bit of furikake on this guy. So there, that guy's done. Boom. And we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And for this guy, we'll go toasted sesame seeds. And for this guy, we'll do black sesame seeds. And there we have our onigiri. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's super delicious. It's like that perfect bite. It's probably more work than just making a sushi roll where you get like a lot more, but it's a fun little thing to make and it's freaking delicious. You got your rice with that seasoning on it. I did the one with the furikake, but you could do, with the sesame seeds or whatever. But you got your rice and whatever your filling is. In this case, we did the creamy spicy crab. It's freaking delicious. It's like, a little handheld triangle of spicy California roll-ish. Anyways, highly recommend. Go make it. It's freaking delicious. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Just another day in paradise.
Well, we got this creamy spicy crab onigiri that you wanted. So here you go. What do you think?
Oh, that's delicious. The rice is soft and pillowy with that rich, creamy, spicy filling, chef's kiss.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Well done is better than well said.
Nash approves. I approve. Look, it's a great dish. It's classic. It's traditional. But like I said, you don't have to make it traditional. You could put whatever filling you want in there. Make it your own. Have fun with it. And then serve it. And people are like, ooh, what is this? You'd be like, it's onigiri. And they're like, oh, wow, we're so impressed. Or I don't know, whatever. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that would help us out. We'd really appreciate it. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, but I'll give you a hint, it's Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays around midnight Pacific time. Go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me to Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, link below. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.